Welcome to Online Math for All. Here we have a problem on age. Let's go over the information. If thrice of A's age 6 years ago, B subtracted from twice his present age, the result would be equal to his present age. When we read the information we have in the question, it seems to be complicated and we may get confused. But there is an easy trick to do this kind of problems. So what we have to do is we have to convert this information to an algebraic equation. Once you convert this information to an equation, easily we can solve for the unknown. Okay, so the target of the question is A's percentage. Since the target of the question is A's percentage, we can assign a variable for A's percentage. So A's percentage can be assumed as x. Okay, now let's go through the other information. A's age 6 years ago. The percentage of A is x, then A's age 6 years ago will be x minus 6. Thrice of A's age 6 years ago. So already we know that A's age 6 years ago will be x minus 6. Thrice of A's age 6 years ago will be 3 times x minus 6. Now twice is percentage. Already we know the percentage of A is x, that is our assumption. Then twice of percentage will be just 2x. So because percentage is x, twice of the percentage is 2x. Now according to the question, thrice of A's age 6 years ago, that means 3 times x minus 6 to be subtracted from twice is percentage. This one has to be subtracted from 2x, that is twice the percentage. So 2x minus 3 times x minus 6. So I subtract thrice of A's age 6 years ago from twice his percentage. When I do so, this result must be equal to his percentage, that means x. That is it. We have converted the given information to an equation. So now we have to solve this equation for x. So that is the target of the question, and x represents the percentage of A. Okay, let us solve for x in this equation. So 2x, you have to distribute this negative 3 to x and negative 6. When you do it, so you will be getting negative 3x, negative times negative will become positive, 3 times 6 is 18 is equal to x. So when you combine the like terms here, 2x and negative 3x, it will be just x, negative x, positive 18 is equal to x. Now to solve for x, add x to both sides, then negative x, positive x will cancel out, 18 is equal to 2x. Now I have the variable on only one side of the equation, that is on the right side. So now I divide both sides by 2 to solve for x. So 2 will cancel out, 18 divided by 2 will be 9. So x is equal to 9. So that means A's percentage is equal to 9 years. So we can solve this kind of any word problems, not only the problem on age, any word problem with lot of information easily. The only thing what we need to understand is we have to convert the given information to mathematical equations. Once you convert the given information to mathematical equation correctly, so solving the problem is not a big task. I think everyone can understand this. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.